Welcome back, everybody. Want to show you the brand new Blackstone 22-inch Pro Series griddle. Check this thing out. It is a Walmart and a Walmart.com exclusive. Now, I've been around the block a few times with Blackstone. They've had the Pro Series model for a bunch of years, but this is the Pro Series at the next level. I mean, check out the amount of stainless on this. So it is sleek, and brand new with this edition is the stainless door, the cabinet on the front. You can hide your propane canister. So cool. Of course, we have a stainless hood. We have stainless side shelves and 22 inches of cooking. The side shelves are pretty sweet. They come with the hook, so you can hang those Signature Series spatulas. You can hang your tongs on there. Of course, it also has the paper towel roll holder on the left side. Everything you'd expect from a Pro Series. And the cool thing is, you've seen me cooking on the 36-inch Pro Series. You've seen us cooking on 28-inch Pro Series. You can have the same luxury with 22-inch. So really cool. The 22 Pro also has the Blackstone Omnivore griddle plate. What I like most about it is it's pretty much windproof. You could be cooking out at the lake, out at the ocean, up in the mountains. You don't need to worry about sideways winds. The thing stays hot. It also has really even heat distribution. And even more, it has really great recovery. If you dump cold shrimp on here, it comes back up to temp super quick. So Omnivore griddle plate, way to go. Seasoning a Blackstone griddle is super easy. You want to light it and you want to get it on high heat. You want to apply a thin coating of the cast iron seasoning and conditioner, and you want to let that smoke off. Depending on the size of your griddle or the outdoor conditions, the weather conditions, that might take anywhere from 3 to 4 to 5 minutes. And you're probably going to want to do anywhere between 3 to 5 layers of the seasoning, reminding you that you want to do a super light coating. And then when we're done, we typically go straight into cooking. And just know that your griddle isn't completely seasoned until you've cooked on it a few times. So you've applied the initial coats of seasoning, and then you've cooked a few recipes, and then it'll be completely non-stick. You can go ahead and cook things like pancakes and crepes and not worry about them sticking. So there you have it. It's the brand new Blackstone 22-inch Pro Series griddle. It is a Walmart and a Walmart.com exclusive, and you can shop and link down below. While you're at it, don't forget about that brand new bacon aroma Blackstone griddle seasoning and cast iron conditioner. Make sure you're watching all the shows on the Blackstone Network. And until next time, this is Todd saying praise the Lord and pass the food from the Blackstone griddle, of course.